If you are under the age of 18 and watching this video, please stop now. This video content is not intended for you. Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with a video response to Gift Diva's challenge giveaway. Lynn is Gift Diva and she is hosting this challenge giveaway because she was trying to reach 500 subscribers on YouTube and she has exceeded that. So congratulations to you, Lynn. It is well deserved. So with her challenge giveaway, what she wanted you to do was to send her a postcard, and there was specific information that you were to put on the back side. She also wanted either 4 flowers or 4 bows, and that was it. The entries are due May 21st, and her address was in the description box on her video, and I will have a link to that because you still have time to get it done if you're a swift crafter. So please, if you have the time, enter her giveaway and congratulate her as well. So I'm going to share with you what I use for my entry. My trusty postcard stamp. This was from Hobby Lobby several years ago. I used this Hobby Lobby gems. This was from the last clearance, I think, or the one before that. And this Pink and Main glossy dots, and also some remnants of some swirl gemstones. This is Tailored Expressions. This was the Simple Strips Crafty set, and this was this the free set? I'm not sure, based on how much you had bought. But I used the Sentiment Sending Smiles and Sparkle. I did use these 2 dies, and both of these are Gina Marie. And for my flowers, I used my Altenew Layered Rose and the Layered Daffodil. I use this Tonic Craft Perfect paper, and this is, that's the back side, Gleaming Lilac. Very pretty paper. And I also used this Tonic die, the Rosebush Magic Sliding Envelope die set. And that's one of those envelopes where you put the card down in there and you have ribbon or string tied around it and you can pull it up like you do with those candy bars. But I just use the envelope part. All right, so let's start with the flowers. As I said, I used my Altenew sets because I used the Layered Rose once, I think, and I had never used the daffodils, so I wanted to do that. So here is the Layered Rose and the Layered Daffodils. And I was kind of going with a purple lavender theme, so actually that has absolutely nothing to do with it, but I just wanted to use the die. So these are my 4 flowers that she will be receiving. And this is that Gina Marie Designs die that I used to put those on. And for my postcard, this is how that turned out. And if I'm not mistaken, I heard Lynn say that she liked lilies, so I pulled those out. Oh, and I forgot my Martha Stewart butterfly punch. Sorry about that, but I did use that. And here are those Pink and Main glossy dots. Here's a Sentiment from Tailored Expressions, and then some of the gemstones from Hobby Lobby. This was in my stash, this bling slider and also the flat back pearl. And this is the back side. So on the postcard, she wanted your YT and IG names, your birth date, just the month and the date, your favorite color, and your favorite crafty item. So that is my submission. And as far as, this was a card that I'm sending her, and I had this in my stash. I kind of bounced off this as far as my color theme. So I never sent this card out, and I thought it was perfect. So that's the card she's receiving. The flowers, the postcard and that tonic envelope. This is what I did with that. So the flowers are going in here. The intent was for the postcard to do so, but because I ended up having all this dimension, it's not going to make it in there. And there will be something else in there for you, Lynn, as well. But I absolutely love this pocket. So super, super cute. I think I'm going to put a bow here or a piece of bling to cover that up. And that is my submission for Gift Divas Challenge giveaway. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. Happy crafting.